this is Sam. Hey. And today we are going to talk about animals that live on a farm. Right, so what animals do you think live on a farm? Little bit tricky. What do you think? All right, so first I'm gonna say the word and please repeat after me. Okay? Let's go nice and slow. Ready? Cat. Cat. Dog. Dog. Pig. Pig. Cow. Cow. Mouse. Mouse. Sheep. Sheep. Horse. Horse. Chicken. Chicken. Duck. Duck. Goat. Goat. Rabbit. Rabbit. Donkey. Donkey. All right, excellent job, guys. Let's try it one more time, a little bit faster, okay? I'm just gonna say the word one time, and please repeat. Ready? Cat. Dog. Pig. Cow. Mouse. Sheep. Horse. Chicken. Duck. Goat. Rabbit. Donkey. All right, awesome job, guys. So next, I'm gonna show you a picture, but I'm not gonna say anything. Can you say what animal it is? All right, I think you can. So good luck. Let's try. All right, absolutely fantastic job, guys. So thank you so much for listening today and practicing English with me. And I'm gonna do more videos, some more quizzes and stuff. So let's enjoy learning some English together. Thank you so much for listening, and until next time, stay safe.